This video will show the all-new Korasoft Portfolio Object Manager for CLM using the public cloud edition. Korasoft has been providing software, services, and maintenance support to over 100 customers worldwide since the early 2000s. The UI is built on familiar, well-established components like search, navigation, maps, and tables. A CAD plan can be added if needed, but it's not mandatory. What's new? Everything now runs on the latest version of SAP Contract and Lease Management, available as a public cloud edition. This video demonstrates continuity, not disruption. What you see here builds on the way our customers have always worked. The user experience is based on familiar, proven SAP UX patterns, intuitive search, clear navigation, map-based views, and structured tables. Where required, a CAD plan can be integrated seamlessly, but it is never a prerequisite. What has changed is the foundation. The solution now runs on the latest SAP Contract and Lease Management, delivered as a public cloud edition, combining the simplicity and usability users expect with the innovation, scalability, and future readiness of SAP's cloud strategy. We navigate to the Korasoft Launchpad. Korasoft offers many solutions for SAP to create and maintain data natively. Select the Korasoft Portfolio Object Manager app to add and update data. Let's go in and create a site in Wilmington, Delaware. This will be used for the Concord Plaza, a major mixed-use office and residential campus located at 3411 Silverside Road. This cluster shows existing buildings in Wilmington, Delaware. We will select it to zoom in. We will now pan and zoom to the location for our new site. Select the spot on the map for the site's location. We will use the Action menu to create a new site. The location information, including coordinates, street address, and zip code, has been automatically populated via the address service connected to the map by Korasoft. Enter the information for the new site. Check the results for any issues. No issues found. Submit to create data. The location has been created. Now that we have created the Concord Plaza Wilmington site, we can place an office building on the site. We use the floor navigator to go to the site. Select the spot on the map for the location of the building. We will use the Action menu to create the new building. We add the needed information for creating the new building. In General Data, we assign the new building a number and a description. We select the building specifications, such as roofing and the year of construction. Then we check and submit. Apartments are the creation of the portfolio objects. For example, lease unit and apartments form the basis for the usable objects. Apartments can be created in buildings in a very similar way by selecting the building and using the Actions menu to create apartment. We will create an apartment in the Brandywine 100 apartment complex. Once the building is selected in the floor locator, we go to the Action menu and select Apartment. In General Data, we give the new apartment a number and description. We select the specifications for the apartment. We add characteristics for an apartment, such as features, leased area, and the year of upgrades. Then we check and submit. You can easily filter to view important details like the leased area. You can easily filter to view important details like the leased area. Jump into the SAP Details for usable and rentable objects. Manually create a usable object and link the relevant portfolio objects to it. Create a rentable object automatically from the relevant usable objects. Let us search for usable objects and show the link to the rentable object. We go to the search methods and select rentable objects and filter for an apartment at the United Nations University. Select the apartment to zoom in and view its location. Let's jump into the SAP Details for rentable objects. You can integrate CAD plans easily if you want, but they are not required. We select a building on the map. Select the floor with the paperclip. This will open the CAD plan for the floor. Run the report to see the linked objects that were created from the drawing. Selecting the linked objects in the table view will zoom the drawing to the linked space. Korasoft lets you upload attachments such as contracts, leases, insurance documents, photos, site plans, and more in a variety of supported formats. Instead of navigating on the map, we will search for our building and add a new attachment. We will search all the AO proxies for our floor with attachments. We will upload a photo of the building's power box.